So this has been one of the biggest IMTEX
Yes.
with respect to footfall.
Yes.
And in general, if we speak about anybody asking me
Okay.
what is trending in machine tool or machining industry, I say visit ACE.
Oh,
How has been your experience at this IMTEX 2025?
and I should say in my last 50 years experience in machine tools and IMTEX, is one of the best IMTEXs I have attended and participated. And as you said, the footfall has been extremely highest in the history of IMTEX. It has already crossed 104,000 yesterday, expect to cross 130 by the end of tomorrow. And the quality of the customers who have closed us and put the inquiries and even finalized order, the highest number of orders are finalized in this IMTEX till yesterday. We are expecting some more to happen today and tomorrow. It has been a wonderful experience for us as far as suppliers are concerned, as far as customers footfall to the stall to finalize orders. And even our products have been extremely innovative in nature, customer friendly, and customers are quite impressed with the development that has been taken place by the ACE designers as a whole, both training center, machine center, and SPM. Especially SPM has given a total facelift in its capability of producing customer friendly SPMs.
With the experience for the past 6 days at IMTEX 2025, I have come across lots of people who have come from abroad.
Yeah.
Whether it is US, whether it is America, whether it is, from
Europe.
Southeast Asian countries, or even to an extent of Scandinavian countries. Is it true that those people there are comparing their machine with Indian machines now?
But it is beyond that. They have started realizing that we are going to overtake them sooner or later. And they also visited our factories. The cleanliness they have seen and observation of the machine building capability and capacity is beyond their imagination. They never imagined that India could be so much in advanced condition to produce so many machines in a year. Yesterday we had a delegation from VDMA of Europe visiting our factory. Look at the factory and its cleanliness and the housekeeping and productivity. They are flabbergasted. They felt very, very happy that India is moving forward in a rapid rate. When the economy is down in Europe, we are very bullish in India. And more so in all the suppliers or participants in the IMTEX, they have given such a positive vibe to the foreigners who have come to this exhibition. They are going with such a big feeling that India is very buoyant.
Automation. When we speak of MSME, SME, reasonably a big setup, industrial setup, how do you think the industrial automation is taking place in these areas?
Yes, automation is out of the day. Whether you like it or not, it's coming. Because all our customers are very scary about the operators, availability of operators tomorrow, and reliability on the presence and absenteeism and other things. They are all asking automation is a must. Supply machines with always automation. Every customer is asking for automation solution, either through robot or with the gadget. And you go to the order of the day as you come across. Okay?
Thank you.
I wish all the best of luck to all the listeners. IMTEX are bullish. It's been extremely happy and satisfied with the performance of IMTEX. Thank you.
Made in India, make in India.
Yes.
We need to learn from AceMicromatic.